Hey, this is Markup, and I am coming to you from my newest listing at 1 Simonton. We are just a couple blocks from Willard Beach. We're right between the beach and Pebbles Street and a couple blocks from Scratch Bakery. So you could not have a better location, a friendlier neighborhood, and a perfect spot to live. So why don't we come on in and take a look at the house? One of the things that I absolutely love about this place is the nice open concept. And it just has a really light, airy, breezy feel. You have a wonderful living room with a natural gas fireplace. There are 3 new heat pumps in this house as well. There's a heat pump in the lower level, finished lower level, heat pump on this floor, and heat pump on the second floor. So perfect for air conditioning and heat, certainly air conditioning these days. So right off here, you do have a nice half bath or a beautiful powder room with custom flooring. And the kitchen that we're gonna come into is amazing. You have a beautiful marble countertops with a farmer's sink and stainless appliances. You've got the Thermador natural gas stove, which you're gonna love, and just a really nice shelving here and storage cabinets. And they're gonna leave the kitchen island for you as well. Love the fixtures, I think you will as well. And dining area here. Off the kitchen, we'll take a peek in the backyard and then we'll head back upstairs. But you've got a beautiful deck, and in the fall and winter months when the leaves come down, you do have some water peaks out there, which is pretty nice, and just a wonderful, again, wonderful neighborhood with wonderful neighbors. So we'll come on in here. And let's go upstairs first. And you've got this stairway that comes, and if you would take a look at the flooring, I love the color of it. And you can head up these couple steps here, and then we'll head to the second floor. And at the top of the stairs to the immediate right is the primary bedroom. So you've got plenty of space for a king or queen size bed. Please note the heat pump up there, very comfortable today. Wonderful big walk-in closet. And as you come into the bathroom, you've got the wonderful marble flooring. That's a hexagon floor, and a stand-up shower with the subway tile surround. We also have a linen closet here, which is great, and the pedestal sink. And as we head out of the primary bedroom to the immediate right, you have another full bathroom, same kind of flooring, pedestal sink. This bathroom has a tub, does have those plantation blinds, and the bathrooms have that. And you have the linen closet in here, and then there's 2 other bedrooms in here, both on the front, and they both, have closets. And look at this one, and then our second bedroom over here. I would totally live in this house. It's a great house. Let's go check out the downstairs, because that's the seller finished that, and it's all permitted, and it looks great. Perfect for a home office or an exercise space. Let's go check it out. So similar to the main level, you've got this double stairway here, which is really charming. And I'm gonna come to what would be the front of the house. So this is a great mudroom area here. You've got a big closet in here, and this door leads out to the garage. We're not gonna go out to the garage, but there's a single car garage that you can check out. And then as I walk this way, Wonderful TV space and exercise space. You've got your natural gas, Weisman wall-mounted unit right there, and you have a stackable laundry right here. So what I'd love to do is take you guys to Willard Beach, because that's just down the block. So we'll see you down there. I'm not sure if I'm going to want to go back to the office after this. We're at Willard Beach, a chip and a putt from one Simonton, and you are going to absolutely love this spot. It's not the best beach day for getting a suntan, but it's a perfect day to be reading a book on the beach. And you can see we're really close to SMCC, right around the corner from Scratch Bakery, close to the theater, close to David's Restaurant, Ellesmere Barbecue, La Luca. I mean, a ton of great restaurants and amenities. Give me a call, 207-232-6127 if you're not working with a realtor. If you are, give them a call, and this could be your next home in your next neighborhood right on the beach.